And some of my mga kapatid, they did not want to have anything to do with me. Kasi takot sila na baka madamay sila sa utang ko. So even my husband was about to leave me at a certain point because of our non-stop fighting over our money situation. At that moment, wala na akong maisip na any other way of escape from the situation, from that big utang that I was in. So para ma-alleviate lang, makaluwang-luwang lang ng konti yung aming tight money situation, and para sa aking mga anak, sabi ko, the only way out is to take my own life. No? Kasi I was insured, and therefore I thought if I could make it appear that I died of natural causes, then I might be able to get some insurance money. Yun lang ang naisip ko, huwag niyo akong gagayahin kasi mali yun. Yun lang ang naisip ko, wala nang iba kasi wala na akong matakbuhan. Yes, I tried. I tried not just once, but many times kung I tried successively in a month na I tried to take my own life. And ang nakakainis is just like how I was a failure in my business that time.